Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with one strong image and a clear effect in mind. Open your editor and duplicate the layer so you never lose the original. Once done, apply basic corrections, exposure, white balance, and lens distortion, so the effect reads cleanly. Next, create a mask selection around the subject to protect skin tones while you experiment. Make sure to save incremental versions and note the exact filter strengths and blend modes you like, because those numbers make the trend repeatable. Now combine effects deliberately. Add a tone map layer to increase midtone contrast, then a color grade layer to push your chosen palette. Use blend modes, overlay for contrast, soft light for warmth, and dial opacity between 10 and 70% to taste. Once you have the look, introduce subtle texture or grain to unify elements. Meanwhile, craft precise AI prompts describing the edit. Include numbers for intensity and color hexes, so you can reproduce the finish by sharpening selectively on eyes and textures, then export in sRGB with quality around 80 to 90% to balance detail and size. Once exported, preview on mobile and web to ensure colors and crop read correctly. Adjust saturation or crop if skin tones clip. If things look off, reduce the main effect opacity, refine mask edges to remove halos, and confirm the color profile is sRGB. Finally, save an editable preset and a short prompt so you can recreate and share the trend fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.